Alright, you won't believe how much they fit into this tiny house. This is the Trinity by Champion, a one bed, one bath tiny house made by Champion. And as always, let's start with the dollhouse. One take, no edits. Let's see everything they got. I mean, they fit so much into this house, and you won't really believe that it's a tiny house with all of the features they have in it. It's crazy. A tiny manufactured home. Alright, and let's go to the overhead really quick to check out the layout. And really quick before we do that, I have less than 1 of you subscribed. 1% of you are subscribed. I cannot be that bad. So please give me a follow if you want to go ahead and check out the best selling houses in 2026 and beyond. And let's go with this layout. So look, we have the kitchen division into the living room. And you usually do not see that in a tiny house. In a tiny house, it's usually like this is all one big area and you don't really have a dedicated eating space. It's like you kind of do the countertops or you have a little shared table, but this is a clear division of the kitchen that has the living room and the kitchen separated. You have this great flow here. This is actually your entrance, and this great flow area here into this walk-in shower. Here's your toilet, here's your sink, and then you go ahead and have that primary here. And let's go ahead and start walking this thing so it makes sense. Alright, this is your front door here. So let's head over here. Imagine you're opening that front door. And you get that open layout. It's so bright and airy. And look at just how they make it flow so well. They make it flow so well, and you get that good kitchen division. I mean, you have a dedicated kitchen area and then a dedicated living room space. It's not just one giant blend. So it's crazy just how much they put in here. They have the built-in microwave, and it's separate from the overhead of the stovetop here with the range. Got that farmhouse sink that everyone loves with that divider. And a huge countertop. Again, remember, this is 500 square foot. 500 square foot with this huge countertop. You have this standing fridge with the double doors, tons of cabinet space, and tons of light. Great layout here for the living room. I still can't believe this is only 500 square foot. This is where you sit down, watch TV, have that dedicated entertainment space. Here's what it looks like from this area. Heading this way into the bathroom, and the bathroom is a great setup. I mean, a walk-in shower. Walk-in shower here in a tiny house. Not that shower tub combo, a walk-in shower. Got that single vanity. You have that counter space and the toilet. Over here, it looks like you have your linen space and your laundry space. Right, here's your standing laundry. You're living tiny, so you're saving that space, using that verticality there, using that vertical setup. And check out this master primary suite. Again, it's tiny, so you are living cozy, but you have a huge walk-in closet, that double door walk-in closet, and again, you have a porch. That's crazy. The porch goes directly off of the primary suite, so you can definitely grab your cup of coffee, go outside, lounge around, read a book. This is awesome. A 6-foot porch right off of the primary suite, and that's a separate door from like your entrance. This layout is legit. Super cool layout. Again, it can be additional dwelling unit, vacation house, backyard house, in-law suite, and it's just crazy. It's crazy how much they fit into this house. Alright, let's talk numbers here, and again, it depends on your area, obviously, but what I want to say is generically you're going to see this thing for roughly $59,000, okay? $59,000 for this house, one bed, one bath, tiny house, 499 square foot, okay? And then if we're talking delivered and set, that's going to be more like 79,000 to 89,000 depending on what you need. Whether it's brick under pan, whether it's, you know, how far it's going to travel. So 55,000 to 59,000 for the unit, and then you're looking at 80,000, 70, 80,000 once it's delivered and set. Follow me for the next one, and see you in about 2 days. I drop these every other day. Bye-bye.